In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google drawing using Google Drive. Whether you're making diagrams, charts, or any other visual content, Google Drawings is an excellent tool that's integrated directly into Google Drive, making it accessible and easy to use. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. It serves as your central hub for all Google documents and files, allowing you to access and manage everything from one place. You can typically find it by typing drive.google.com into your browser, where you'll be taken to your personal Google Drive homepage. Once there, you might see a list of your existing files, or you could start with a fresh, clean slate if you're new to the platform. Either way, we're ready for the next step. Now on your Google Drive homepage, look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled New. This button is your gateway to creating a variety of Google files, including docs, sheets, slides, and of course, drawings. Click on this New button and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu featuring several options. Within this list, you'll see a choice that reads More. Hover over or click this option and you'll notice additional selections appearing. This menu expansion is crucial because it unveils even more tools and features that Google Drive offers. Now from this expanded list, look for the option that says Google Drawings. Clicking on Google Drawings will open a new tab on your browser. It's important to note that Google Drawings is effectively treated as a separate tool or application within your browser, functioning almost like an extension of Drive. Once the new tab opens, you'll be greeted with a blank canvas ready for your creative input. Before diving into the design, take a moment to think about the title of your Google drawing. A well-titled document is not only easy to find, but also helps you stay organized, especially when your drive starts to fill up with multiple files over time. To title your Google drawing, look towards the top left of the New tab where you'll see a text field that says Untitled Drawing. Click on that field and type in the name you'd like to give your drawing. This name can always be changed later if your project focus shifts or if you think of something more fitting down the line. And there you have it. Your Google drawing is set up and ready for whatever you plan to create. Remember, learning to utilize these powerful, freely available tools can greatly enhance both your productivity and organizational skills. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has empowered you to take full advantage of what Google Drive and Google Drawings have to offer.